This is a short video to just I don't know, show you what it's like to ride the bike, the new bike the e-bike that I've got. I've decided to put a couple of GoPros on it, one on the front fork pointing back towards the rider, and the other GoPro on the back, I don't know what you call it, on the frame, the A-frame that sort of where the back wheel mounts, and it's pointing towards the rider, so you can see the feet going around on the pedals. It just to give you a slightly more unique view of what this bike's like to ride. So far, I'm very happy with it. I've done, I think, about 140 k's in total. I just finished a ride today, and so far, I haven't got a complaint about this bike at all. So, hope you enjoy the video.